Like you can hear it getting louder as the motor runs. But the real knocking sound is in the back. So here, I'll take your phone real quick.